everyone, I am Anuprah from the Standard 7th A. Today I am here to tell about the speech on Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is one of the most important festivals for Hindus. It is celebrated on the full moon day in the month of Sawan. This festival is also called the Festival of Rakhi. Raksha means protection and Bandhan means bound. Thus the Raksha Bandhan means bound of protection. It is a festival of brothers and sisters. On this day, sisters tie Rakhi on wrist of their brothers and pray to God for their good health. Brothers also promise to protect their sister from all the troubles. And brother brings their sister favorite gift them in the return gift. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. I am Suraj Kumar Shah from class 7. My admission number is 5979 and I am stand here to tell us English short speech on Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a festival which celebrates the bond of brother and sister. This festival is celebrated in the Hindu religion. It is one of their most important festivals. In addition, sisters and brothers wait eagerly for it all around the year. People celebrate it with abundant zeal and enthusiasm in India. Similarly, it does not matter if you are a kid or an adult. Brother and sister of all ages celebrate Raksha Bandhan. Furthermore, it strengthens the bond between them as well. Raksha translates to the protection and Bandhan translates to the bond. Thus, this explains the meaning of festival. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated following the Hindu calendar. It falls in the month of Sawan and people celebrate it on the last day of month. The auspicious festival usually falls around August only. Thank you.
To all of you, my name is Sabha Praveen. I am a student of class 7. Today I am saying about Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan illustrates the bond between brother and sister. Raksha Bandhan festival brings feeling of oneness and unity among the family members. Raksha Bandhan festival spreads the message of peace and brotherhood in society. Raksha Bandhan is also celebrated between cousin siblings and distant family members to express affection towards each other. On Raksha Bandhan festival, women and girls the Rakhi to Prime Minister, President, soldiers and social workers voluntarily assuming them and as their brother. Many of the sisters who are living away from their brothers send Rakhi by post to celebrate this auspicious occasion. Happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you. Thank you.
Happy Raksha Bandhan to all my dear brothers. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Myself, Sanskriti Jan, admission number 649 from 7A. I am here to deliver a speech on Raksha Bandhan. Did you all know what's the meaning of Rakhi? It means I means affirming love and affection. A means prayer for a long life success. K means keeping memories alive. H means happiness and laughter. And I means innumerable stories. The celebration of Raksha Bandhan strengthens the bond of a brother and sister. But because of this COVID, some brothers are not with their sisters. Let's pray for them and salute the bond or relation of a brother and sister. Raksha Bandhan wishes for brother and sister that perfectly express all the feelings weaved in Rakhi. The most beautiful thing about having a brother is that I have already a true friend. We are truly blessed if we have someone to make Raksha Bandhan so beautiful we are. And my childhood becomes more fun and life becomes a lot easier when you have a brother by your side. This festival celebrates the love of a brother for his sister. On this day, sisters tie Rakhi on the wrists of their brothers to protect them against evil influences and pray for their long life and happiness. Once again, happy Raksha Bandhan to all brothers and sisters. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Preeti Lal having admission number 3508 from class 7. I am here for the speech and on the topic Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a festival which is celebrated in the month of August on Purnima Day. It is a festival of brother and sister. The meaning of Raksha is protection and Bandhan means bond. On this day, brother promises to protect his sister against any evil. Brothers and sisters eagerly wait for this day. On this day, different types of dishes are cooked. Sister tie Rakhi on the wrist of her brother and gives sweets to eat. Brother gives some gift. In our school, Raksha Bandhan is also celebrated. It is especially the festival of Hindu, but it is not necessary that only Hindu can celebrate this festival. Other religions like Sikh, Muslim, and Christians are also celebrating this festival. Thank you.
I am Ayushi Gupta, a student of class 7A. Today I am going to present a speech on the topic of Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is the main festival of the Hindu religion. In this festival, all the sisters tie a Rakhi on his brother's wrist, and in exchange all the brothers give their favorite gifts. This festival is celebrated in the full moon day of the Shravan month. In this day, all family members are very much happy because they meet together in this day. In this day, all the sisters take a rakhi, a diya, a sweet, and some tilak in the thali in the traditional way. In this day, all the sisters pray a long life for their brothers and tie the rakhi.
Hello to one and all, I am Kanhaiya Sharma, standing here to tell the speech on the topic Importance of Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a Hindu and Jain festival. It marks on the holy month of Shravan on the day of Purnima or full moon day. It is celebrated in India with a great enthusiasm. It is celebrated by the brothers and sisters. They wait for this festival for a very long time. On this day, sisters tie rakhis on their brother's wrist to protect them against evil influences and pray for their long life and happiness. In the return, brothers give a gift that contains a promise that they will protect their sisters from any harm or danger. It is widely celebrated in North India. It is a festival of love and bond. On Raksha means to protect and on Bandhan means to bond. It is a festival of brothers and sisters, so they celebrate it very in lovely way. It is celebrated by every Indian and every Hindu, and Jain also celebrate this festival by tying the rakhis on their brother's hand. It is a festival of joy and love, and it is celebrated with great enthusiasm in India. Thank you for giving a chance to tell the speech. Thank you.
A pleasant good morning to all my respected teachers and my dear friends. This is Siddhi Ranjan from class 7 and I am going to tell a speech on importance of Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is an important festival of our country. It is celebrated in the month of Sawan across all over the country. Raksha means protection, Bandhan means bond. It means a festival of bond and protection. On this auspicious occasion, sisters tie a sacred thread called Rakhi on their brother's wrist and pray for his health, safety and long life. In the return, the brother take a lifelong vow to protect their sister and give them a gift. Thank you and have a nice day.
Everyone, my name is Tanmajan. So today I am telling about of Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a famous festival of India. This festival is celebrated by the brother and sister only. The festival of Raksha Bandhan is celebrated on the day of Shravan Purnima. The festival shows the bond, affection, love, care and of reason between brother and sister. Only this day sister tie a special thread on her brother's wrist. At Raksha Bandhan, the brother always possible to protect her sister. Sister also pray to God for health, good health and bright future for his brother. Only these days there is a happy atmosphere in the whole family, and on this day special dishes are also made in the house. This symbol of these love, togetherness, and in each together. The god is protected in called Raksha Bandhan. Thank you everyone.